Good morning everyone. I hope you are all well at your home and you are all doing well. As our first term syllabus is over and our exams are also over, so we are going to start with the second semester. ठीक है? Before starting of the syllabus, I just want to ask one common question from all of you. Tell me, we are living in which country? We are the citizens of which country? Tell me. Yes, very good. India. We all living in India. We are all Indian. Do you know what is the special quality of India? Yes, India is a land of festivals. India is a land of festivals. So many celebrated like Holi, Diwali, Lohri, Christmas, and so many other festivals are celebrated in India. Okay. What is the common thing in all the festivals? Tell me. Yes, very good. These are the gifts. Gifts are the common thing in all the festivals. Means to say we used to exchange the gifts in all the festivals. Okay? So gifts are the common thing in all the festivals. Okay? As some festivals are related to Hindus, some are related to Muslims, some are related to Christians. So I am going to explain one of the festivals, the chapter related to the festival. Okay? So what is this? Tell me, have you ever seen this thing? Yeah, very good. This is the Christmas trees. Just because we all know that Christmas is celebrated all over the world on 25th of December every year. Yes? So our chapter's name is The Gift for Christmas. A gift for Christmas. This is our chapter that we are going to start. So this is the chapter Christmas, A Gift for Christmas. This is a chapter that is written by O. Henry. What is the name of the author? O. Henry. Write down on your books O. Henry. Everybody write down O. Henry. Clear? So we are going to start with the chapter A Gift for Christmas. People exchange gifts on the eve of Christmas. We all knew that people used to exchange gifts on the eve of Christmas. On the day of Christmas, people started giving gifts to each other. These gifts are token of their love and affection. Why they are giving gifts? They used to give the gifts to one another? Just because gifts are the token of their love. They just wanted to show the love for his loved ones or someone. That's why they used to give the gift. In this story by O. Henry, Della and Young are devoted couple. So the main character of the poem is Della and Young. Okay? They were beloved couple, you can say, thinking of giving expensive and desirable gifts to each other. They just wanted to give expensive gift, means to say costly gifts to each other, and desirable gift means to say they were having a strong desire to give the gifts to each other. But due to the shortage of money, they were having the what? Shortage of money. They were having the fall of money, short of money. That's why they have to sell their most cherished possessions. Okay? The most beautiful things they were having, both were having most beautiful things in their life. They have sold that just because they wanted to give gifts to each other. What were the possessions of both of them? So first was Jim's gold watch that had been his father's and grandfather's. Okay? So Jim was having a gold watch that he had sold to gift to Della, and another one was Della's long golden hair. Della was having a long golden hair. She had also sold that hair to give gift to Jim. Clear? Next we will see $1.87. So Della was counting again and again. She had counted so many times, but she was having how much money? $1.87. How much money she was having? $1.87. Everybody should underline, that was all. He was having only this much money, and 60 cents of it was in pennies. And from that money, 60 cents was in pennies, means to say she was having a coins, 60 cents coins he was having. Pennies saved 1 and 2 at a time, just because coins ko we can save only 1 or 2 for a single time. 3 times Della counted it. I have already told you that she had counted again and again, but she was having only $1.87. And the next day would be Christmas. Now the Christmas Eve was coming, Christmas was approaching, it was coming. So next day would be the Christmas day. There was clearly nothing that Della could do except to throw herself in a dirty little couch and cry. Della could not do anything just because she was not having much money to give gift to James, so that's why she was having one thing that was in her hand, that what she can do, she just can't cry, and so that's why she was lying on the couch and started crying. Okay? While Della is crying, let us take a look at her home. So Della was crying, so we are going to take a look to her house. Okay, we will see that what kind of home she was having, which is furnished flat. They were having a rented house, that was having a rented house. जिसका rent कितना था? $8 a week. They were having a furnished flat that they have rented for $8 a week. You see the signs of poverty wherever you turn your eyes, just because it was not good house, you can say. It was not a beautiful house, small one it was. So when you see or when you move your eyes, you can see that they were in a poor condition. Okay? What else can you expect was Della's husband? When Della's husband, Mr. James Dillingham Young, earns just $20 a week. So we cannot expect anything else just because उसकी salary बहुत कम थी. James Dillingham Young, who was the Della's husband, उसको हम बच्चे Young भी बोलते हैं. James Dillingham Young was the full name of him. So he was having the salary of $20 a week. How much salary he was having? $20 a week. Della finished crying. Now Della ended his crying. She had finished her crying. She went up to looking glass. So she had gone to the mirror, near the mirror. She had gone near the mirror, and after that, what she had started? Now she was in front of mirror. She was standing in front of mirror, and she began to powder her cheeks. Began to powder her cheeks. उसने अपने वो क्या करना cheeks पे powder लगाना. She started. Then she stood by the window and looked out dully at a grey cat walking on a grey fence in a grey backyard. So when she stood by the window, she was standing near the window, but she had seen. She looked out dully at a grey cat. What she had seen? She had seen a grey cat. Dully होता है बच्चे dull manner में. She had seen a grey cat walking on a grey fence. Grey fence पे she was walking in a grey backyard. ठीक है? Means to say not graceful, you can say. In a not graceful manner, she had seen. Tomorrow would be Christmas Day. Now she was thinking that tomorrow would be Christmas Day, and she had only 1.87 cent, $1.87 she was having, with which to buy Jim's present, with which she has to buy a present for Jim. She had been saving every penny she could for months. She had been saving the $1.87 from so many months, but she was having a $1.87. $20 a week don't go far. Just because she just wanted how much money? She needed $20, but it was a big amount for her. Expenses had been greater than she had calculated, just because unke expenses were more than what she had expected or calculated. They always are. Only 1.87 cents to buy a present for Jim. She was having how much money? 1.87 cents. Her Jim the many happy hours she had spent planning for something nice for him. So much time she had spent for what? To plan a gift for a beautiful gift for Jim. Something fine and rare. She just wanted to buy something good and rare thing, beautiful thing, worthy of honor being owned by Jim. Means to say, it should be a good thing. It should be a, you can say, precious thing for the Jim. Okay. Suddenly, Della turned away from the window. Now she had turned away from the window and stood before the glass. Again she started seeing, or she started watching the glass, you can say. Her eyes were shining brilliantly. Her eyes were shining very brightly, but her face had lost its color all of a sudden, just because she was not in a good mood. She was sad. That's why her face had lost all its color. Rapidly, she pulled down her hair and let it fall to its full length. After that, what she had done? Rapidly means quickly. She pulled down. She had opened her hair and let it fall in its full length. Just because she was having a lengthy hair, so now she had opened all her hair. Now there were two possessions of James Dillingham Young in which they both took great pride. I have already told you that Jim was having a gold watch and Della was having a golden hair. This was their only possessions. ठीक है? Della let fall her beautiful hair. Now she had opened her beautiful hair. It reached below her knees. It had reached below her knees just because she was having a lengthy hair. Quickly and nervously she combed it. Quickly and nervously she was, you can say that's curious or nervous. She combed her hair and did it up again. Again he had done it. For a minute she faltered. Faltered means बच्चे spoke hesitantly. ठीक है, spoke hesitantly, hesitate होके कुछ बोलना. Tears appeared in her eyes just because she was sad. That's why tears appeared in her eyes. Up to this we had done, and rest we will do in the next video. So we will have a doubt session also. So up to this, if you will have a doubt, you can ask in a Zoom class. Thank you.